climb to 105 for departure.
871 Tower, roger. Just to get further, 2 seconds. We'll advise when you take off.
871.
Vector 1 ground clear to Kilo Lima Mike Tango. London 2 departure. Kilo Alpha Sierra Echo Delta.
Yeah, I see you there now. Just hold to runway 09, and it'll be a little bit before I get going. I have the flight of 4 to depart and the tanker behind them.
No problem, and if time permits, I'd like to get a couple of minutes for now.
Okay. It's the medevac there, 6 north, east 2,500 feet, surveillance service terminate, change on frequency.
Flight 3 medevac, thank you.
Buster flight after departure, make it a left turn out.
5, we'll hold at 3,000 feet, left-hand turn for the flight.
You can turn into runway 15 on runway 154. Sorry, on runway 09, hold short of runway 15.
Taxiing 09, hold short of 15, that, Buster's in a left turn just north of the runway, and we'll do one pattern and then just rejoin with the tanker.
Okay, and just confirm for me, are you Martha on departure for rejoining, or do you want... And winds are 130 at 5 knots, cleared low approach, runway 15, and you're one of our favorites. Come back again next year and see us.
Buster 1 copies all. We're looking at KC, so we're just going to rejoin with the tanker right now. We're going to skip the pattern.
Okay, very good, sir, and have a safe flight home.
Buster 1 copy all, thank you.
Forward turn is at your discretion now. Left on it.
Alright, I'm gonna head back in, but you might text me when you're gonna leave? Yeah, we'll do. Thanks.
Running ground, ICPS tugs +1 in aircraft intel off on apron 3.
ICPS touch ground check.
Running ground, load 154.
Ready 154,
Tower complaint bicep 1-1, 2 ship, are you holding short 1-5? Running ground, good morning, it's Diamond 11. Diamond 11, running ground, morning. Hey, down 11, I'm in a DA-40.
Isaac 11, thanks so much for coming to our show. Really appreciate it. Hopefully you come back next year. On departure, contact Tunnel Center 135.3. Winds 130 at 6 knots. And that clear takeoff runway 15. Have a safe flight home.
Isaac 11, we love the hospitality. Thanks for letting us out here. Clear for takeoff runway 15 up to 23,000 and 135.3 for Toronto Center. Thank you.
See ya.
Good morning, Airport 1, we'll be up on Airport 15.
Simple 1 we're good morning to you. And are you on call, are you?
Just Airport 15
Bear 401 London Tower, the pattern is left hand with 150 at 6 knots. Clear takeoff, runway 15.
Airport 1 is going to be a left turn out for the partner enter will be 15 by man, and then we'll pick up a London 2. We're clear for takeoff at 15, Airport 1.
Bear 401 Tower, after the pass, I'll have off course making here. I'm just coordinating as turn off course and higher.
That's great, man. Appreciate it, Airport 1. Clear for takeoff, 15.
Go. Loader 154, ground loader 154 on apron 2. Can I get to area 20 to meet up with the rest of your team? Loader 154, ground proceed.
Oh, really appreciate it. Hope to see you again next year. Winds 170 at 5 knots. There's no approach runway 15.
Proceed golf all the way to Bravo.